Alright, YouTube. We got Chris out. Got Charlene. We out here doing some testing. This is my son Bill. He's gonna do some testing today. Finally out here, so we're gonna see what it's got. Alright, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, this got the contact foams up there. We trying those out. Let's see how they do. Supposed to break them in on a speed run, but instead we're doing it on a drag race. It's pulling hard. Correct that. Did put the XLX back in with the TP motor. Waiting on that update. Too much jumper. Yeah. Plus they brand new. I just put them on right now. Ooh, no, they took out that cone. Yeah, I gotta do some adjustments. Alright, guys.
At least I didn't have to build that this time.
Alright, guys. So, y'all see the little spikes on the side? Drag racing spikes. And we testing the XLX2 with the 4070 can. Damn, I blew the damn thing on it. It's all good. You getting rubbing on your end?
Do I hit the request?
Yes, if they both broke it, yes.
Lane 2.
Well, the beam is probably too high, so it's not reading a mile an hour.
Okay.
Yeah, you're good to go. Nice run, my man. Car looking good, huh?
He won.
Left lane.
Yep.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay.
There you go. Nice, nice. So
I did better that run than I did Sunday.
So it's on Pro Tree right now. She looking good. Happy for what I built. My son's showing it off, huh? What? There you go. I was doing good, right? Overnight built that last night.
He's a DQ.
He red lighted?
Yeah.
Yeah, the 2A, remember I gotta bring you up. Because I put a separate battery.
There's one way of finishing.
You go next, man.
And I'm like, oh.
I had to
Keep
get
going.
back on that one. All them guys want to run in down. Ladies first.
That's better.
Yes, for sure. You getting down through there.
You know what?
2.452.
I'm worried about jumping back.
Okay.
Baby.
Right up there, my man. See if you get faster. I gotta do some do some adjustments here. How you liking it? Drive that thing. Woo! Nice driving, nice driving. What did he run? That was a good run.
0.89.
Okay, okay.
3.7.
But you know why it's a 3.7? Because of this. That brung you down. You probably was a 2.9.
Yeah, I'm doing so much.
Yes.
I think another thing was the jitters first time.
Yes.
I got very little.
Yes.
weight. Hey, at least I got bragging
That's
rights
a
for
nice
that.
run. Nice run.
That's why I'm naming this car bipolar.
The little one just won.
Oh, 2.8. He's a solid 2.8. Solid 2.8, my man. Quick testing tune with some of the fellas and the gal. Nice, nice, nice. You got it, man. You got it. Nice, nice. You got that. What they run?
44.88, 3.003, 3.453, and 29.66.
Nice run, fellas. Nice run.
That's a good run.
Yes, it was. This car getting down through there. I'm proud.
Let's see father and son.
Right? Let's go.
Let's see his
Little
father
man.
and son.
Yep, little man.
Alright, God, they want to see me go against little man. Let's see what he got. There you go. Watch the light.
Wow.
Nice run, my man.
Whoa.
Ow.
This guy turned it up a
Wait,
little bit.
60 miles per hour, look.
Yeah, definitely had to turn it up on him a
I
little bit.
was gonna say, I think you gotta teach him a little lesson.
We can bring it back. We do it again. I'm getting cogging off the line, so that's why I'm so delayed. It's something I'm working on.
Yeah.
Oh, he got me!
Whoa.
No, I pulled him on the big end. He got me.
You did.
Yeah, and a 2.6. Oh, I got him. Oh, he good. Oh, I got him.
Yep. A little slower mile an hour.
Yeah, for sure. I turned it down.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
That's the main reason I got this controller, because I told him I want to be able to.
I see him over there. He look like he's switching some gears. Okay. Ah, I turned it up too much. Ah, you got me. I'm gonna take him out now. What's in there? Cause your car not to go straight.
Uh-oh.
Got him in the big end. Yeah, nice run. He getting me on that torque though. He got that torque.
Yeah.
He's got that torque.
Now see,
What happened? Are you running foams in those tires?
yes.
Okay. I'm overheated. You beat me. If that was a race, you beat me. I overheated.
I didn't want the tires up that time.
Yeah, it's fun. See them D racing tires? You don't even got to burn them out.
Yeah.
He just puts it straight to the line and goes.
Whoa.
She was moving.
Yeah.
Ah, get back on this side. What'd he run? Right, you ran a 2.6. Okay. You broke it? Huh?
I screwed that one up.
What happened?
I put one Big Daddy on one side.
Ah. Oh shit. He got two different tires on there. He just ran it too. It ran good. Oh wow. Dang.
Now see, if I was going like this, I think I would have been more of a.
Yeah. Nice run. That's a nice run.
See, now it's drifting. It was going straight.
No.
Nice, right over it. Just hit it again and come on. Ooh, that was a good race. That was a good. You try to hold it, but you see why I try to turn now because you like overcorrecting it, so it flipped. All right. Thanks to Chris and Charlene for throwing the tester tune. I got your name right?
Thank you
Yep.
so much.
Yeah. All right, no
for
problem.
coming through with that part.
Not a problem. Thank y'all for the tester tune for the invite.
Thank you.
Yeah,
All right,
not a problem.
sure.
I'll be right
Thanks for
with you,
Josh.
Kevin.
All right, no problem. Thanks for Josh for coming out. My son did good on his car. Still got some work to do on this one. And y'all stay tuned. Let's see it in the big end. Let's see what it does in the big end. Yeah, that's definitely what it was. See how much it's turned down? But that look, you see the little bit of correction, but it might be the body. That's probably why it's looking like you corrected and it's not you. Aerodynamics, y'all.
Have you seen one of these?
It looks like it's light in the back. Aerodynamics, y'all. Remember that. All right. Aerodynamics, y'all. And he's holding it. He was holding it. Yeah. Yeah, I know what that means. If you watch the other video, you'll know what aerodynamics means. What I'm saying right now. With the body on, the car will go straight. I mean, would not go straight. With the body off, car goes straight. So that body is not great for aerodynamics. It looks cool, but aerodynamics plays a big part in this here. Nice and straight too. The same way it was angled, it went straight down.